Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok and Capcut tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create how your baby will look like video trend on TikTok using Capcut. If you're new here, then please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. So if you want to create this video where you show a video of yourself and then it'll show you how your baby will look like, let me show you how to do it. So for this, you will need TikTok and you'll need an app called Capcut. Capcut is a free app from your App Store or your Google Play Store. So go ahead and download it. Once downloaded, go ahead and open up TikTok. Now tap on search at the top right. Search for how your baby will look like. And then at the end, add the word Capcut. In your search results, you're looking for these kind of videos where you have a line coming down. So go ahead and tap on any of these videos. On these videos, you're looking for this button here, Capcut, try this template. So go ahead and tap on that. Now tap on use template in Capcut. This will open up Capcut and will load the template. Tap on use template. Now as you can see, Capcut will give you a warning that Capcut will upload your photo and apply the effect. Your photo will then be deleted from the server after the effect has been applied. So if you want to do this trend, go ahead and tap on allow. If you don't want to do that, then tap don't allow. So for this, I'll tap on allow. Here, I'll select a photo. Now I'll tap on preview. This will create the video. As you can see, it's created a video. Now preview your video and make sure you're happy with it. Once you're happy with it, tap on export at the top right. Then tap on save and share to TikTok. This will export the video and send it over to TikTok. Now again, it'll show you a preview. There is no sound at the moment, so tap on add sound. Select your sound. Then tap on next, add your captions and tags, and then post it on TikTok. So that is how to create how your baby will look like video trend on TikTok using Capcut. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.